What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. So I'm taking the bags off my car. Straight to the point. They are okay. They're not what I was looking for, and I got other plans for the car now. So got a hold of my buddies over at Fortune Auto, and they hooked it up with some coilovers. So these were built by Trey Wright, 53118. Proudly hand assembled in the USA. Spanner wrenches and some other paperwork. And here they are. So here's the Swift springs. Rears. Here's one of the fronts. The other front. And I'm assuming these are the rear shocks. Yep. Very well packaged, I'll give them that. Very well packaged, as you can see. I mean, lots of padding, extra thick cardboard, 2 boxes. So let me get these things out of the bubble wrap and we'll go over them. Alright, I just wanted to go over the options that I got with this kit. So I went with the locking spring perches. So in order to adjust ride height, you use this collar here, and it has a nice set screw there, so you don't have to worry about the spanner wrenches. So I got those, and then up here you can see the radial bearings. So basically what these do is eliminate coil bind. There's a bearing in here instead of just having it with a piece of aluminum, and that allows the whole coil to move when you turn the wheel. Did that, and the Swift springs. So yeah, guys, I'll be putting these on my car pretty soon. I'll have a video of me taking the bags off and putting these on. And once that's finished, I'm gonna have my bags for sale. So if you're interested in them, let me know.